Welcome to Section 3 of our Facebook remarketing video training. In this section, we will talk about creating an audience from the customer file, creating an audience from website traffic, creating an audience from app activity, creating an audience from engagement on Facebook, creating lookalike audiences, and creating saved audiences. We hope you enjoy and get the most out of this training section, creating an audience from the customer file. Before we get started with audience creation, it is good for you to know what a custom audience is. When you log into your Facebook Ad Manager account and start creating ads, you'll notice that you'll be able to customize the audience to create a group to whom you want to show your ads. Simply put, custom audiences are those audiences that have been created by you. They can be set up according to who you want to target according to age, gender, location, and many other criteria. These audiences are then targeted on Facebook to have your ads served to them. Let's start by showing you how to create a custom audience from a customer file. To go straight to the audience creation interface, go to facebook.com/ads/manager/audiences. Click on Create a Custom Audience. There, you'll be asked how you want to create your custom audience, and you'll be presented with 4 options. Choose Customer File to proceed with customization. A customer file is a document created by you of information about your existing customers, and Facebook can use it to find people on its network that match the data of your customers. This is great because it will allow you to reach other people based on information that you have gathered from your customers, creating an audience more likely to engage with your offer. If you manage a mailing list or subscription, it is likely that you already have a batch of customer data. If you don't have a customer file, it is quite easy to create one. Open an Excel or WordPad document and have your customers' information ready. A good customer file has at least the following 3 pieces of data from each customer: email address, full name, and physical address. Enter each element and separate them by commas. Do this for each customer, each one in a column. You can take a look at the example Facebook gives you here. If you already have your list stored on some online autoresponder service like Aweber or GetResponse, you can simply download a file from them with the information needed. For creating the customer audience with this option, you can upload a file from your computer and drag it here by checking the Add a New File option. Also, you can choose the Copy and Paste option to copy the information from your file and paste it into the data field. Once you upload your file or enter your data, click on Next. In the next window, you can preview and map your identifiers. Identifiers are the types of individual data recognized by Facebook to find and match with your intended audience. These include names, phone numbers, addresses, email addresses, and others. Many will be identified automatically. The ones that are not will be marked with a yellow sign and can be identified manually by you. Just click on the drop-down menu and identify it according to the type of data that it is. Leave the ones that you want to exclude marked as Do Not Upload. Once you are done here, click on Upload and Create. The next step will be the hashed and upload creation, and that is done automatically by Facebook. Once that process is complete, you'll be taken back to your audience panel where you'll be able to see your newly created custom audience. What you'll do now is start a remarketing campaign with this new audience. For that, you'll click on Create Advert. You'll then decide what type of ad you want to show those leads you have uploaded to your custom audience. Remember, you'll be creating an ad for people who have already interacted with your business. Maybe those leads you uploaded to your custom audience were people you got from an opt-in form. Maybe they didn't buy a product you were promoting then. What you can do is create an ad to send them back to that sales page they visited before or to a sales page promoting that same product but with a special discount, so that way your leads can finally decide to buy. If you haven't created an advert account before, you'll be asked to do so. Then you'll be able to create the ad campaign. Right here in the audience section is where you'll pick up the custom audience you have just set up. You are preparing an ad campaign only for these people so you can remarket to them. The rest of the ad creation process is the same as any custom Facebook ads creation process. Always keep in mind that you are creating an ad campaign for people that have done a specific action related to your business, so you won't be targeting everybody on Facebook with this campaign.